All right, welcome back. This is Miss Dennis, and we're doing Turkey Time 2. Again, the materials that we will be using are pencil, blending stumps, and eraser. And let's get started. I've already softened up the little piece of, I don't even know what this is called. I'm sure somebody does. One of my students will know what this is called. I'm going to show you what I did down here for the leg. Started off with just a line coming down like this, okay, and then I thickened it, okay, and then I took my blender and I sort of blended it like this, softening it up. Then, so that it looks more three-dimensional, I'm going to take my eraser and I'm going to lift some of that off. And that looks more like a rounded leg. We can also add some texture like this. Okay, and then we're going to be thickening these up. These is going to kind of be a little bit webbed like this. I'm going to bring this toe out and curve it so that it can show the claw. Okay. And I'm going to do the same thing to this part. And this is going to come back like this. And then I'm also doing some small lines here, just to add some texture for that. Doesn't look too bad. So we're going to do the same thing for the other turkey leg, but we won't be able to see where it connects to this part of the turkey because it's going to be on the opposite side. So we'll just have one of the legs come back like this. It's going to be facing in the same direction as the other one. So we have the back part right there. And then we have sort of a front part coming right here. And then we'll have, which it doesn't look great right now, but we've got to trust the process. We're going to fix this up. Okay, so thickening the leg, thickening the back. Okay, and then I can now if I go out of the lines with this, I can take my pencil. That's what I love about blending. It's like if I make a mess, if I make a mistake, if I go out of the lines, I can go back and clean it up a little bit with my eraser. And so we're going to do this a little bit, maybe on the tops of these two so they stand out. And then we do these curved lines. That's going to add some more texture. You know, it's not an exact replica. This is more for practicing 3D forms and blending and having some fun.